Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the smartest and simplest ways to invest: index funds. Heard the term but not quite sure how it works or how to get started? You're in the right place. Let's break it all down. First up, what is an index fund? An index fund is a type of investment fund that's designed to track the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500 or the total stock market. Think of it this way. If you invest in an index fund that tracks the S&P 500, your money is automatically spread across 500 of the largest US companies, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Pretty cool, right? So why are index funds so popular? Diversification. You're invested in hundreds or even thousands of companies with just one fund. Low fees, no expensive fund manager. It just mirrors the index. Long-term performance. Historically, index funds have outperformed most actively managed funds. Simplicity. Set it and forget it. Now let's talk about some of the most popular index funds today. VFIAX Vanguard 500 Index Fund tracks the S&P 500. VDSAX Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund includes large, mid, and small cap stocks. XAI Fidelity 500 Index Fund, another low-cost S&P 500 tracker. SWPX Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund, great for beginners with no minimum. VO SPY IVV, ETFs that track the S&P 500. How do you make money with index funds? You earn money in two main ways: capital gains. The value of your fund goes up as the market rises. Dividends. Many index funds pay out dividends from the companies they hold. Over time, the average return of the S&P 500 has been about 7–10% annually after inflation. Before you invest, here are a few things to keep in mind. Index funds are long-term investments. Don't expect quick profits. The market can go down, and so can your fund's value temporarily. Make sure to check the expense ratio. Lower is better, ideally under 0.10%. Ready to get started? Here's how. Open an account with a brokerage, like Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. Choose an index fund that fits your goals: S&P 500, total market, etc. Set up automatic investments. Even $50 or $100 a month adds up over time. Fun fact: Warren Buffett recommends index funds for most people. He even said his best advice is to put 90% of your money in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund and 10% in bonds. That's how powerful and simple index funds are. Let's wrap it up. Index funds are simple, low cost, diversified, long-term friendly. If you're new to investing and want an easy, proven way to grow your money, index funds might be your best friend. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and drop your index fund questions in the comments. I'd love to help you get started.